Hi, this is Tanjit from webexchange.net. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redirect any URL on your WordPress site to another. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to install a plugin by going plugins, add new, and search for the redirection. This is the one I'm looking for. Redirection by John Gotti. So install it, activate it. That's it. Now if you go to tools, and you'll have an option to add redirection and setting things. So you can also go to from here, settings, and this is the welcome page. This is the how this plugin works. And if you would like to know, so source URL, this is the URL where your user redirect from, and target URL, this is the import field where your user will redirect to. So start setup, and this is most important thing if you would like to know about it. If you change your permalink in future, and if you would like to keep monitoring it, you can just do it from here. If you're curious about what is permalinks, you can check this by going settings and permalinks. Actually, this is how your link structures. So by default, when you install WordPress, maybe it sets student name. I'm not sure about it, but I would like to use the post name. This is most clean way to format your URL. But if you change your URL in future, like say initially you used plain URL, but in future if you like to use the post name, this is very important thing that you may lose your traffic, and you may lose your SEO visibility on search engine like Google. So if you like to change it, then you can just monitor your permalinks from here, and he will monitor your links, and if it changes, then it will redirect from your broken link to the new one. So this, I think, the cool thing. So you can just monitor it, and if you like to keep all log of your direction 404 page, then you can do it from here. So I'm going to click on continue, and it's checking if you have any REST API and if it is good or not. REST API, it's a WordPress system, so you can check this here from here if you would like to. So finish setup. So when you finish your setup, you will be redirected to options tab. But I would like to go to, first of all, there are lots of settings that you can check, like time to keep logs for and 404 logs. This is how it works. And IP logging, you can also have the IP logging also. If you like to monitor things like monitor changes to posts, changes to pages, this is, I think, that you can use. Like if you would like to monitor anything, you can do it from here. It also caches things. Like if you like to use never cache, you just select this one. It won't cache. So if you would like to cache after 1 hour and clear it, so you can do it from here also. So if you like to add redirection, you can just need to go to redirection tab and add it from here. Let's see if I have any post on posters, so that so I have some post. So let's say I would like to redirect from post format aside to post format link. Okay, so let's just copy that, copy link address, and just paste it here. Okay, and also this one, copy this and just paste it to target URL. Okay, so add redirection. That's it. Now as you can see, it's already formatted. So let's see if I go to now this page from here, copy that, and here. Now as you can see, I have just it's coming from the WordPress, I mean just SEO plugin, so you can just ignore that. The most important thing is, as you can see, it's already redirected to post format link. So this is how it works. So I would like to mention one other thing is, as you can see, there is also an option for groups. You can also have groups here if you would like to have groups. By default, it have groups like it has groups like redirection and modified posters. You can do it from here so that you can just group things. Like if you would like to group your all posters in one group, you can do it. Like say I would like to group all of the posters in one posters. Okay, so and also I would like to group all of the pages URL in pages. So you can do it from here. You just need to now assign this to here. So this is how it works. If you have any domain that you like to redirect from here to another domain, so you can do it from here also. And if you have SSL certificate on your hosting, if you have set up SSL certificate, and if it is not going to HTTPS URL automatically, you can just force it from here. It will force to HTTPS URL. So this is very useful thing. You don't have to install any additional plugin for that. And if you have also redirection, you have lots of redirection on your side, and if you like to import and export that, you can do it from here also. And I think this is very cool feature you can use, and also it has another tabs for options. You can check this out too. And one thing I would like to mention, you can just monitor your all of the posters and pages from here, and also monitor the trashes. If you trash any posters, any pages, so you can do it from here. So this is how it works actually. So I think it helps you, and I hope you guys stay well and also stay healthy. So I'll see you in the next one.